Welcome to this 5-part video series on technical advisory panels at the Minnesota Department of Transportation. To introduce different roles of panel members, we hear from Research Services Director Linda Taylor.
The goal of the videos is to help clarify the roles and responsibilities of the key TAP members. Hopefully, if you're a seasoned veteran or you're new to this role, you'll find some valuable tips and hints to make it more successful. I want to start by thanking you for your involvement and participation on the TAP. We've really found that through your involvement, our projects are more successful. Hopefully, you can get something out of this that can help benefit both your area, your department, and address a current problem.
Every MnDOT research project, however it is funded, is guided by a technical advisory panel. Each member of the panel has a particular role to play that is essential to the success of the research project.
Research Services manages approximately 200 research projects, which spans a broad spectrum of department responsibilities, including materials and construction, traffic and safety, maintenance, operations and security, bridge and structures, environmental, multimodal, and policy and planning. We also administer the local Road Research Board program and manage the research projects funded through this for the local agencies. We partner with universities and other DOTs to leverage funding and address common research needs. This helps us build and operate a world-class transportation system in Minnesota.
Every technical advisory panel is composed of at least 3 members: the principal investigator, who performs the research, the technical liaison, who is the champion for the research, and the project coordinator, who monitors the research contract. Additional members may also serve on the panel to bring needed expertise to the project.
The principal investigator, that's someone that we contract with. It's either with the university or a consulting firm, and they actually perform the work. They're responsible for delivering the end product, and they have expertise and knowledge in the specific area of interest. Then we have the technical liaison, and this is really either the local or MnDOT champion to the project. It could be a city or county representative or a MnDOT staff person. And they have the background, knowledge, and expertise in the problem that's being addressed. And they really play a pivotal role on the TAP, where they kind of guide and direct it to make sure that the original intent of the project is addressed and the end product is something they can use and apply. Next is the project coordinator, and this is a research service staff person assigned to the project, and they really look at the contractual obligations of the project. They're making sure that the contract documents, the deliverables, and the end products all are tracked and on time. They coordinate the comments and making sure that they're within the contract requirements. The last is when we have a TAP, we also look for additional TAP members that kind of fill out the TAP, that have interest or expertise in the project that can add value and really help form and shape the project. And this can be anybody from MnDOT, a city or a county, a consultant, industry, anyone that's interested and wants to take time to be involved in the project.
Technical advisory panel members work together to assure the success of the research project. This requires communication, careful planning and scheduling, a vision for how the research will ultimately be used, and outreach strategies for communicating and implementing the research results. For more insights on the roles of the technical advisory panel, watch the remaining 4 videos in this series, featuring research services leaders and seasoned panel members from MnDOT and other organizations. For more detailed information and guidance, see MnDOT's Technical Advisory Panel Guidelines on the Research Services website.